Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Yes, good afternoon to everyone. Please mute your audios.
Ma'am.
Please mute your audios.
Am I am mute?
And how are you
Have a
speaking?
great day, ma'am.
Yes, Sahrish, thank you.
I am Abba.
Okay, Abba, thank you. I had a great day. Yes. Okay, now yesterday I had given you homework. I had given you homework yesterday. If you remember, if your workbook.
I do.
Can you all please mute your audios? Please mute your audios to avoid all this disturbance that we are having.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, page 17 was the homework that I had given you yesterday. Before we begin with the new lesson, we will check the homework. Okay?
Yes.
Open page
Ma'am,
17.
wasn't that page number 16?
No, it was 17.
17.
16 we did in class and 17 was homework.
Monday.
Okay. The first one,
Finish me. 17.
yes, 17.
What should we write in page number 17?
Page number 17 was homework. The first one, like you can see, it's already done in the textbook. My family is a small one.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, student test.
No.
Why? Ma'am, explain the English literature.
Okay. Second one,
Ma'am, do it testing.
who is that? In spite of asking you to mute your audios, you have not muted. Ivan? Ivan, what is the second one? Unmute, Ivan. I can't hear you. Yes.
Our mother tells bedtime stories.
Yes. Our mother tells us bedtime stories.
Ma'am, I can say.
Our mother tells us bedtime stories.
Ma'am, I can. Ma'am, next item.
Okay, Saharish, tell me the third one.
Mother. What page? Ma'am, not there.
Saharish, tell me the third one.
Bed.
Yes, Aiden, tell me the third one. Aiden Ajay. Yes.
Yes.
Tell me the third one.
Our father working in a bank.
Our father works in a bank. Very good. Our father works in a bank.
I can say. I can say. Ma'am, I can say.
Who is this I?
Ma'am, I am not a rough book.
I?
Mama, I am not a rough book. I don't know.
Father works in a bank. Okay.
I'm right.
Rohan, tell me the fourth one.
Bank. I have a.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am not a rough book.
Who is this? If you tell me I have not taken rough book, I cannot understand. Tell me the name.
Ma'am, I am.
Who is this? Tell me the name.
Shine.
Shine, why you don't have the rough book? By the way, I'm not doing in the rough book. This is workbook, Shine.
No.
Rohan, complete it. I have
Sister.
I have a younger sister. Okay, very good. I have a younger sister.
Ma'am, I have. I said. Ma'am, I said.
Yes, tell me the last one.
All go to.
Hmm. We are all going to school. We are all going to school.
We are.
All going to school.
We are going.
Who is that reading it loudly? Please mute your audios.
Yeah, going to
school.
I think.
Is it Abha?
No, ma'am, I am muted.
Okay. So our mother tells us bedtime stories. Our father works in a bank. I have a younger sister. We are going to school. These are the yes. Okay. So that was the homework. Now close your workbooks. Please close your workbooks. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I am late.
Who is that? Emmanuel. Very good. Why were you late? Huh? Why were you late, Emmanuel? Okay. Now we are going to start a new lesson today. Before we start the lesson, let me ask Ayush. Ayush, please unmute. Ayush, can you tell me example of domestic animals?
Yes.
Yes, tell me.
Animals.
Hmm?
Cow.
Yes.
Goat. Goat.
Goat. Cow, goat.
Sheep.
Yes.
Buffalo.
Okay, okay.
Pig.
Enough. Okay. So you have cow, goat, dogs, cats, all these come under domestic animals. So you have domestic animals and you have wild animals. Domestic animals are the animals that...
I have a kitty.
Okay, very good. Domestic animals are those animals that we train or tame, and they live in and around human beings. They live in, either they live in our houses or they live in sheds.
Ma'am, I have a dog.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Now
otherwise they will live in
please
farm.
mute your audios. I don't want disturbances.
Ma'am, I have a small kitty.
Okay. Please mute the audios. Okay, now after that, okay, fine. So these are domestic animals are those animals that we either train or tame for our benefit, and they live in and around us. Yes. And you also have wild animals which are found in jungles and forests. Okay. Now this lesson or this new lesson that we are going to start is telling us about a domestic animal, which is the cow. Is telling us about, and Anna Maria, can you please mute your audio?
Okay.
It is telling us, even Amaya, I keep muting and you keep unmuting. Please mute your audio.
Okay, ma'am.
So this lesson is telling us about the cow, and it is a small poem. It is not a lesson. It is not a big chapter. It is a small poem by Robert Louis Stevenson, which tells us about the cow and how it spends its day. Okay. So you can open page number 36 of your textbook. Page 36 of your textbook. Page 36 of your textbook.
Take it, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so I'm going to start reading the poem. The friendly cow, all red and white, I love with all my heart. She gives me cream with all her might to eat with apple tart. Okay, so the poet here is telling us about a friendly cow. And Abha, what is the color of the cow?
Ma'am,
Yes.
red and white.
Red and white. Okay, the cow is red and white. He tells us that the cow is red and white. It is a very friendly cow, and he loves the cow very much. We all like our pets, right? We like the animals that stay with us. Similarly, he also he loves his pet very much. He loves it with all his heart. And the cow in turn gives the poet something. What does the cow give us? Evelyn Antachin, what does the cow give us?
Mama, tell.
Ma'am, milk. Milk.
Yes, yes. The cow gives us milk. Very good. So this cow she gives me cream. Cream is like thick milk. It's very good milk with all her might. Might means, what is the meaning of might? M-I-G-H-T? If I tell you Spider-Man is a very mighty person, what does that mean?
Strong.
Strong. Yes, very good. Strength. Might is strength. Okay.
Strength.
Strength. Okay.
Ma'am, strong. It will be say strong.
Strength. It's strength.
Strength.
Okay. So the cow gives milk with all her strength to eat with apple tart. Now, apple tart is a pie. It's a dessert kind of a thing made out of apple. Okay. Yes. So this is what is the first paragraph.
And what is tart?
Tart it's an open pie stuffed with apple. It's like a pie. P-I-E, pie.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. This is the first paragraph telling, the first 4 lines tell us what kind of a cow is it? Yes, Renfred, what kind of a cow?
A friendly cow.
Friendly cow. And what is the color of the cow?
White and black.
White and red.
Red.
White and red. Yes, white and red. Okay. And how does the poet like the cow?
Yes.
Yes. The poet loves the cow very much. And what does the cow give in return?
Milk. Milk.
Milk. Yes, milk. Okay, very good. Yes. So this is all the first 4 lines are telling us. Now somebody's audio is disturbing me.
M-E-A-D-O.
Okay, Nived.
Yes, ma'am.
Nived, can you read the first 4 lines?
The
Yes.
friendly
Hmm.
cow, all red and white,
Hmm.
I love with all my heart.
Hmm.
She gives me
Hmm.
cream with
Hmm.
all her
Might.
might to eat
Hmm.
with apple tart.
Start. Okay. Yes. Now I want one more person to read. Yes, Anna Maria. Please read. Only the person whom I ask to read will unmute. All others, please mute your mics. Yes, Anna Maria.
She wanders
Huh? I didn't ask you to read that, only the first paragraph. I have not started the second.
Okay, ma'am. The friendly cow, all red and white, I love with all my heart.
Hmm.
She gives me green with all her might to eat with apple tart.
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 Okay. Yes, Renfred, you are raising your hand. You can read. Anna Maria, please mute.
The friendly cow, all red and white, I love with all my heart. She gives me cream with all her might to eat with apple tart.
Okay, very good. Yes, Saharish. Saharish, I can't hear you today. Please check your connection. No, dear, I cannot hear you.
Ma'am, I think she's joining in net.
There is some problem with your connection. Just check, just check. Okay, Agnes Claire, please read. Saharish, just ask somebody to check the connection.
The friendly cow, all red and white, I love with all my heart.
My heart.
My heart. She gives me cream
Cream.
with all her might
Yes. To eat.
to eat with apple tart.
Oh, tart. Okay, very good. Saharish, did you check it? No, dear, it's still not audible. I think when you joined, you wouldn't have clicked on join with computer audio. Just check again. Just check again. Okay, now, yes, Manha Fatima, please read.
The friendly cow. Ma'am. All red and white. I
love with all my heart.
I love with all my heart. She give me cream with her mind.
Right, yes.
Eat with apple tart.
To eat with apple tart. Okay, very good. Yes, Abha.
Yes, ma'am. Am I coming here? So which book take? Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Read first paragraph. Shreya, please wait. Wait 1 second, Abha. Shreya, please wait. Open page 36 of your textbook, Shreya. Okay. Yes, Abha, start.
The friendly cow, all red and white, I love with all my heart. She give me cream with all her might to eat with apple
Tart. Okay, okay.
Ma'am, why didn't we learn lesson 5?
That's a non-detailed lesson. We don't have that in our syllabus.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Devatmak.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Devatmak. Can you tell me what is particular about the last words of all the lines? Is there anything special? The last words in each line. What is special?
It is rhyming. It is rhyming word.
Very good. These are rhyming words, and we studied rhyming words in the other poem, in the previous poem that we studied, A Book for My Mother. Remember?
Yes.
Yes. Now I want one of you to identify the rhyming words. Aiden. Devatmak, you can mute. Aiden Ajay.
Yes.
Aiden, please tell me the rhyming words in the first paragraph. What is it? And. No. Look at the first paragraph in your textbook. Which are the rhyming words? Look at the first 4 lines carefully. Yes, Renfred.
White. White.
Okay, very good. Oh,
Three.
yes. White, might.
One might.
Heart and chart.
Heart.
Abha, please mute your audio. So the rhyming words are white, might, and heart and tart. Okay, these are the 4 rhyming words. Okay. Yes.
And white.
White and might. It's white and might.
And bike.
What is it?
Bike.
Yes, I'm asking for the words in the textbook. White and might. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so this is...
Can I take the rough book?
Yes, you may. The
Ma'am?
cow.
I'm right.
Ma'am,
Yes, you can write it in your rough book.
checking.
What happened?
Ma'am, here, my video is checking.
Your video is getting stuck. Okay, must be a problem with the connection. Okay,
Ma'am,
because the
ma'am,
weather
here
is
is
bad.
raining.
Yes, because the weather is bad, it must be a problem with the connection. No problem.
Ma'am, is there any daily test today?
No, there is no daily test today.
Ma'am,
Yes. It's okay. It's okay. You don't have to get so worried for it.
Ma'am, here is raining.
Okay, please take your rough book
we are
and write this.
Ma'am, here is raining.
Okay, the meaning first one is might. MIGHT. Strength.
Ma'am, which page?
Might.
Ma'am,
Strength.
which? What is the meanings?
Might. Might. The meaning is strength.
Ma'am, not clear.
I cannot hear you all properly because here also it's raining, so it's the voices are very feeble. So just write it down. Write down this word might. Meaning is strength. And the rhyming words, you don't have to write the rhyming words. This is just for you to understand.
Ma'am,
And 1 second.
ma'am, not
Yes.
a book.
You can write it in your rough book.
Ma'am,
You
I am
don't have
taken
to
from.
write. Please do not write the rhyming words. This is only for you to understand. Don't write the rhyming words. You can
Yes.
underline it in your rough book. So it is white, might, and heart, start. Meaning of might is strength, and this is only for you to understand. White, might are the rhyming words, and heart and start.
I'm don't write rhyme word.
No, don't write the rhyming words.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay.
Finish.
Yes.
Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, not finished. Ma'am, finished.
Okay. So
Ma'am,
this
finish.
stanza, there is only one rhyme, one word meaning, which is might. Yes, might, which means strength. Okay. Okay. Rohan,
Yes.
what color is the cow? What color is the cow?
White and red.
White and
White
red. Okay.
and red.
And what does the cow give the poet?
Cream.
Cream. Okay, very good. And which are the rhyming words?
White. White.
White, might, then
Might. Heart. Tart.
heart, tart. Okay, only okay. Yes. So everybody has understood these?
Yes.
You understood what the first 4 line means? Only
Yes.
one word meaning that we have from there is might, which means strength. And we have also identified the rhyming words. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. Sahrish, can you hear? I cannot hear you still. Okay, no problem. As long as you can hear me, no problem. Okay.
Ma'am, in the morning Hindi period, Sahrish microphone is no problem, is there?
Okay, okay. Must be some problem with the connection. Or check your headset, Sahrish. There must be something wrong with it. Okay. Yes. So I hope you have understood this. We will continue with the next paragraph in the next class. Sorry? I have not taken the second paragraph. Arjun, I have not taken the second paragraph. I will take the second paragraph only in the next class. And weekends, I want you to practice who is speaking when I am speaking in between. Let me finish speaking and then you can say.
Yes, ma'am.
So I want you to learn, study and write the meaning, might and strength, and also practice reading the first 4 lines. Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
This is going to be your homework for this weekend. You have to practice reading first 4 lines. Yes, now somebody wanted to speak. What is it? Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, so thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a great day, ma'am.